for your love.
Hey guys, let me turn that off. Okay, today is Thursday. I have so much energy on me. I don't know where this is coming from. I think it's coming from this coffee. So anyway, before I tell you my secret, today is Thursday. I literally just got done filming a affordable local plus affordable makeup tutorial, which is this one right here. This is like what I came up with. So yes, I will probably upload that video, the makeup video, first before this vlog. So anyway, how are you guys? I feel so good right now because I'm finally healed and I'm fully recovered. Anyways, today I am going, me and my friend Viola are going to Marshall's or Target later because I need to get more coffee, and I will tell you guys later what my secret is. So I literally this straw, by the way, is from Starbucks. It's only like $1 something and it's reusable. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my boxy charm because I received this yesterday night at the mail. The theme of the month is very springy vibes. Okay, so I already took off all the stuff. Anyway, this one right here, this bad boy right here, I believe this is $34. I threw the little card that comes with it. This is the Wonder Lift of Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I will be giving this to my sister Sydney because I do have a lot of skincare and I don't want to keep switching up on my skincare, because that's the time when I break out if I keep like literally using different type of skincare. I don't know, my skin is very sensitive, like, girl. All right, next one is this. I haven't heard of this brand, but this is the Appeal liquid eyeshadow right there. And what shade is this? Rose Gold. Okay, Rose Gold. I'm really excited to try this one out. So I'm gonna be keeping this because I don't have a liquid eyeshadow and I haven't tried any liquid eyeshadow. So yeah. Next one is this Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Long Lasting Lip. No, this is okay. I believe this is a metallic because it has kind of like a shimmer onto it. I'm gonna right there. So that's that. Oh, by the way, you guys, I did a giveaway. I already what you call it, announced the winner last week. It was around Friday, March 15. I announced the winner. There's 2 winners actually. I will be sending the giveaway products. The girl one is from New York, the other one is from Philippines. So there's 2 winners. But don't worry if you didn't win. Girl, I got you, sis. I got you. I will have as we're talking right now, I actually have more makeup products that I put at the side of the box because I will be doing another giveaway. So don't be sad, okay, because I will be doing another giveaway. So anyway, this one lipstick, and then next one is these 2 brushes, which I'm really excited, and this so fluffy. And this is from the brand Moda brush right there. Just 2 brushes and it's really fluffy. So, and it has with this pinky goldish packaging. It's very light. So next one is the one I'm really excited, is this palette, and this is from Cover FX. Thank God they didn't give me darker palette because this is the light to medium palette. And okay, let me just open it right there. You guys, tell me this is so bad. It comes with a blush. There's a finishing powder, but it has like a little shimmery thing to it. I don't know, guys, if you can have what I was thinking about. There's a little shimmery to it. This is finishing powder. Okay, and it comes with a contour, highlighter. There's 2 highlighter actually. Oh, I do have my ring light. That's why it's way too bright. So there's 2 highlighter, and this one is a brightener. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really excited to try this palette, and I really like the packaging because I don't know, it's really soft. So that's that. And I actually the overall total of this monthly box charm is $149.99. so yes, I'm not just guessing that because I actually calculated it yesterday night. So because my husband received this and he actually opened it. So anyway, okay, I'm really hyped. Okay, calm down then. Anyway, so it is 3:20 p.m. I'm just gonna try to clean out my mess right now because as you guys can see, this is terrible. Yeah, and actually I will be going to a birthday party tomorrow because we've been planning this birthday, okay, since 3 weeks ago, but like I said, I do have the root canal, everything, so I have to pull that back. I will be with my bitch tomorrow, which is Crystal. It's her birthday. Well, her birthday was March 5th, but since we do have I have a busy schedule, so we have to move it. So anyway, I will be with her tomorrow. So it'll be since she wants some seafood and she hadn't tried the she hadn't tried the shrimp. We'll be, I think it was in Virginia, the hot and crawfish. Okay, I've been trying to find, okay, hot and crawfish. Yeah, so we're gonna be there tomorrow. Anyway, so let me just try to calm down. I will check on you guys later. I'm gonna try to clean this mess that I had right here for a moment. All right, beautiful people, this is just, I'm wearing shirt and some sweatpants, and I'm just gonna bring my jacket because it's kind of cold, and my Louis Vuitton, my LV bag right there. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to USPS first because I'm gonna get a box, 2 boxes, so I can send it I believe tomorrow or this Saturday, so I can send it on Saturday, the giveaway winners, so I can send it to my giveaway winners. So yeah, let's go. Let me just make sure that yeah, okay, so all right, let's just go because the USPS is gonna close around 4:30 and I think it's already it's 3:46. So let's go to post office. So it's kind of nice and tidy for me. Let's just go ahead because in 30 minutes the USPS is gonna close. So I don't want to meet. Okay. As long as I want to jam with you guys with the new music that I'm listening right now, I really can't do that because YouTube is really getting strict on music. So yeah, I'm just gonna catch you guys in 3, 2, 1. I got the boxes, guys, which is, I pick up the priority mail. I got 2 of these. I choose this one because I only pay $7.50, and she said it doesn't matter how, like, the weight, so that's really good. So I got 2 of these. One I'll be sending just domestic and one is international, so I'm really happy. So let's just go. You're gonna meet my friend Viola. Oh, I literally forgot my glasses, but thank God I got my big old glasses from my car. So all right, let's go. Is it just me? I don't even ever look on my camera, backup camera, because I don't trust that much. Anyway, it's still pretty much raining, and I don't know when is this rain gonna stop. Hopefully it's not gonna rain tomorrow because I will be going, well, we are going to Virginia, the crab.
A few inches later.
Told them that I'm picking you up. So guys, here's Viola. Oh, am I saying her name right? Viola?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. She's from Italy. It was Italy, right? Yeah, so she's right here. Say hi to my vlog. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Hi. Yeah, so we're actually at Starbucks. It's kind of weird, huh? Like you're talking to a camera. Yeah, this line is taking forever. We're actually going to Target and Ross and Marshall's. I actually want to do like a thrift shopping. Maybe next time. Next Thursday. We can do thrift shop.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, we're going to thrift shop next. Oh my god. Oh shoot. You guys, I'm actually close to this. Oh my god.
Oh no.
I'm so sorry, car. I literally abused the shit out of this car. I think I just want to get rid of this car so bad. I want a new one.
Admit it.
Yeah, I just want a new one. Okay, so we're here at Ross.
Pants for dance because I don't have any sweatpants anymore. Since I started in game.
Yeah, she's so tiny and she's, oh my god, she's in the kids section. She's in the kids section.
Secret.
Yep. So we're looking. Oh my god, they have the cutest.
I think those are too small.
Oh my god, is that your size? Are you kidding me right now?
Probably not my ass, but
Oh my god.
I'm actually gonna try it.
Dude. I can't. Okay, I need to go to the gym tomorrow. Like you. Oh. Okay, look at this.
That's cute. I like it.
Really cute. Okay, let's see that. This is really good in like the summertime.
I think that would look good on you because you do have boobs.
Because you know what? If you actually shop like forever.
I got this one last time.
Really? That looks cute.
Spring.
Olive green? Yeah.
A little bit short.
She's a dancer. And actually she's going to teach me how to dance because my dancing skill just like I can't find my dancing skills. They're like dead. It's fine after.
Are these too small? No.
Actually no. I think they're fit.
This is mine. This is mine.
Add to cart. Here.
How to be broke in 2 seconds.
Oh, this is cute. What? Oh my god. Okay, this is large. You gotta go to extra.
Fucking features on your feet.
What is that? What are those?
But just walk away.
Hey guys, we're here at Marshall's. Yeah, we're actually looking for makeup. Here they have the chocolate palette. I think that's from Too Faced.
I paid for it.
She paid $1 for this one. Subculture.
Oh my god.
This
is so cute.
Isn't it the cutest? Does it smell like chocolate? I smell. It does.
Oh, like, hold on.
Ooh.
Like they do.
Yeah, I know. Ah, it's a damage.
Oh.
That suck. They also have the foundation, stick foundation in the shade Fawn. This is not my shade.
What's maker? Oh, Beach Cosmetic. Is this a good brand?
Yeah, they're actually cheap, but like the quality of their makeup is really good.
Look at this. This is so cute. It's
This is only $7.99. Are you fucking serious? $17? That is so cool. But I keep asking my and it's GoPro.
Oh my god.
It smells so good.
It's so.
That one is good, but it's like damaged. Guys, they have more makeup. They stocked actually more makeup here. have the brushes. They got elf. And they have the Japanese brushes for $10. This reminds me of NARS, the Japanese contour and highlight. This remind me of NARS. This is dope. This is big, and it's $6.99. Powder brush. Look at. Let's show it to them. She found a Stila liquid eyeshadow. How much is it?
Where's the packaging?
Did you find it? That is dope because that's expensive. In Sephora.
There's a lot of them.
Really? How? What shade are those though?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. I lost it. This one, Pigel, and
Those are like expensive because they have brushes right here, guys, for $12.99. Beauty Shield. Bare Minerals. This is very yellow. That's dark. Hey guys, we're still here at Marshall's, and can you take a look at this? Calvin Klein. I think this is a sports bra. I don't know what kind it is. And they also have the thong. Yes, yes. Get it, girl. I like this top, but I want to buy this one. The Puma. I'll just pass with you. Like, oh my god.
wait.
Oh my
This
god. It is so freaking cute. Hey guys. Look at this champion pants. I might get these. Yours compares to mine is so big than yours.
Small for me probably too, but I was looking at there too, from Lee.
Really?
They're together.
Are they together?
Yep. See, they're put together here.
That's a good deal.
But
We love a good deal. You need to actually try it on first though.
they look. I don't know.
I wanna. Guys, come here. Guys,
Oh my god.
this is
Too
pretty.
small.
Really?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
It doesn't. Oh my god.
Let me see.
It's small too. Come on.
Did they have more sizes with that one? What's that size?
Medium.
And this is the black one.
Okay.
You guys can see. It is so cool. That's cute.
They're really tight in my butt.
Let me see your butt. Oh my god. That looks fat.
But
Did you just bend? What's the size of that?
it's really tight.
We're at Target.
They don't have individual lashes.
We're trying to find an
upset.
individual. Trying to find an individual lashes for her because she already have like a natural lashes. Lucky. And
those are so dramatic.
that's like your lashes
I'm
though.
gonna fly away.
And they're expensive. Are those $10 for this dramatic lashes? Oh, it comes with the
The glue. Well, most
still
of the
the same
times the glue
thing.
that comes with lashes
It
doesn't work.
sucks. This
Bitch, I'm upset.
lashes.
This fucked in my head.
Okay, I think this is the sale aisle.
Boom.
Ooh. Oh, speaking of primer, okay, I'm gonna get my where's the Maybelline? Here. My sister needs a primer from Maybelline or Wet n Wild. I don't know if they have the primer here. Black coffee. Come on. You can also flip the camera if you want to see yourself. Here, let's do this. Woo, flip it.
What's up? Just here.
We're here at Target, so flip it down.
We just switched a lot of lipsticks.
Yeah, you're really good.
What?
Huh?
Vlogging?
Yeah, you have to try vlogging right there.
I'm trying. I'm vlogging, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Viola. This is so cool. Oh my god. And this is my friend Glenn. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. Staring at the camera.
Feeling pretty or whatever.
This camera makes me really pretty. And then I'm looking like a zombie 24/7 every day. Thanks, Glenn's camera.
No, it's okay.
What are you doing, Glenn? Oh, look it up.
No, I don't. No.
No.
No, you're gonna look on the stop. Stop it already. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, so we're done shopping. Fuck.
We're going to.
We've been shopping all day.
Yes.
Broken and happy.
Broke. What did I do? Oh, you just take it off. Unbox it. YouTuber.
Guys, welcome back to my channel.
You suck at it already.
I'm unboxing this
What?
box.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm so bad at this.
So it's a makeup brush. Looks like that.
And now, how do you open this part?
That I don't know. Okay, guys, I just learned. How do you pronounce her name? Danielle.
Danielle Brigoli.
This is Danielle Brigoli. What is?
Broccoli.
Wait.
That easy.
Met bad baby. Do it. Come on.
I'm under pressure.
Okay, here is the I'm sorry.
You're fine, it's just my phone.
You wanna go?
Catch me outside. How about that?
That's her.
You wanna go?
Catch me outside. How about that?
When is this?
Danielle, you wanna go?
3 months ago. It's not fucked. Welcome back.
Back at it again. When you're just staring at yourself.
Viola, you have to
You
say
need
something
to entertain the people that's watching you.
Like, you're not supposed to just
You
look
guys
at it
are
and
making me
start
laugh.
laughing.
So these are my.
Okay, guys, mini haul from Ross. I got this true top, and it has like 2 black stripes in the side. So that's that for $5.99. Next is another tube top, like a snake print for $5.99. Cute. And this one is a bodysuit, and it's a black, and I kind of like it because it's like V. Okay, so basically just a regular black bodysuit. So that's that. And what I like about this is this part right here. Yes, you can just detach it. Next one is this one, another black, just a crop top. And I don't know how much I paid for this, but yeah, that's that. It's just very simple and basic ones. And I also got the Champion sweat pants, black one, and also the gray one. And I also got the Puma, I believe this is the sports bra, and I'm size medium. It's like almost $13, and I really like it because this detail at the back is just make it sexy. So that's that. 2 sweatpants from Champion. So yeah, I think that's it, I believe, guys. The other plastic bag is still in my car and I'm just way too lazy to get it. But anyway, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm really dead tired. It's almost, well, it's 12:02 and yeah, 12:02, which is Friday, and I need to get some sleep because I will be going to a birthday party tomorrow, which is gonna be Crystal's birthday party. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.